In this video, we are going to upgrade our app a step further. We are going to enable the Add Task button. Speaking of adding, if we want to add a new task to a task holder or a list, we actually need an array to keep our tasks, right? So, I am going to declare a new stateful array called taskList and the setter function for the array called newTask. Besides, we need a function to perform adding a new task to the array whenever the add button was clicked. Inside the function, I am going to use the spread operator. The spread operator gives us the power of copying an entire or a part of a JavaScript array or an object into another array or an object. It can also be used to perform destructuring an array or object of items. The term destructuring means the items of an array will be divided into their own different variables. In this place, I have called newTask function using arrow function and passed an argument called old. The reason for using arrow function is that it is handy to use and reduces vague. Whenever a setter function is passed with an unknown argument, it will take its hook variable's current state as the argument's value and pass it into the function block. Inside the function, I have capsulated the spread task list along with the task in variable. By doing this, the function will append the destructured task list items to a new array with the task in variable at the end and returns it to the setter function. Now I am going to link the handle task function to the onClick event of add task button so that it will add the task in variable each time to the task list array when we click on the add task button. We are now able to add new tasks, but we have not displayed our task list yet. To do that, I am going to use the map function to traverse our task list items and render it. The map function is similar to a for loop, but in React, it expects a return value to render, which in our case, a task card. Now, the map function will loop inside the task list array and will render number of task cards in accordance with the number of items inside the task list array. I am going to delete the unwanted elements and replace the value of input with the value given by the map function, which is the task list items. As of now, we got one item in the array. To add a new task, click on the Add button. Now, a new task will be added to our task list array and the map function will automatically traverse the array and render it. So, everything is working fine. But what about the structure of our UI? It is not as we expected as it has to be. That is what we are going to tackle on the next video with the help of React Bootstrap. So, see you on the next video.